Good morning, students. Welcome to Kana Kingdom. Today we start chapter 2, counting in groups of Genie book. Today we start our new chapter of Genie book. Okay. So in chapter 2, worksheet 1 is fill in the missing number. In worksheet 1, we have to fill the missing number. So 2. So what comes before 2? 1. So write here 1. Then what comes after 2? 3. Then what comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. 6 already written here. So in next line, the after number of 6 is 7. 7 after number is 8. Then what comes after 8? 9. 10 already written here. Now what comes after 10? 11. So write 11 in next column. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 12? 13. 14 already written here. So now 14 is the after number of 13. Next, what comes after 14? 15, then 16, 17 already written here. Now next, after number of 17 is 18, 19 after number is 20, then what comes after 21? 22. What comes after 22? 23. What comes after 23? 24. Now, what comes after 24? 25. 26 after number is 27. Then 28. Next, this number is 29 and then 30. Now, what comes after 30? 31. So, we write it here 31. What comes after 31? 32. Now, 32 after number is 33. 33 after number is 34. Then 35. Then 36. Then 37. Then 38. And what comes between 38 and 40? 39. Now what comes after 40? 41. 41. Now what comes after 41? 42. 42 next after number is 43. What comes after 43? 44. Now 44, 45. Now what comes after 45? 46. What comes after 46? 47. What comes after 47? 48. Then 49 and 50. Now 50 blank 52. So what comes between 50 and 52? 51. Now, what comes after 52? 53. Now, what comes after 53? 54. What comes after 54? 55. Now, what comes after 55? 56. Now, 56, 57. So, 57 after number is 58. Now, what comes after 58? 59. Then 60. What comes after 60? 61. What comes after 61? 62. Now, what comes after 62? And between 62 and 64, what comes between 62 and 64? 63. Now, what comes after 64? 65. Then 66. Now, what comes after 66? 67. Then 68. Now, what comes between 68 and 70? 69. Now, what comes after 70? 71. Now, what comes after 71? 72. Now, what comes after 72? 73. Okay. Now, what comes after 73? 74. Now, what comes between 74 and 76? 75. Now, what comes after 76? 77. Now, what comes after 77? 78. Then 79. And 80. Now, 80, 81, blank, 83. So, what comes between 81 and 83? 82. Now, after number of 83 is 84. Now, what comes after 84? 85. Now, what comes after 85? 86. Now, what comes between 86 and 88? 87. Now, 88 after number is 89 and then 90. Now, what comes after 90? 91, then 92. 92 after number is 93. Now, what comes between 93 and 95? 94. Now, what comes between 95 and 97? 96. Now, 97. What comes between 97 and 100? 98. 99 and 100. So, this is the counting 1 to 100. Fill in the missing number in worksheet 1. we have to fill the missing number in the blank. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay? So write down this in your Genie book, and worksheet number 2 is just like worksheet number 1. Fill the missing number. So worksheet 2, do yourself at home and write down this also in your Genie book. Now our next worksheet is worksheet 3. In worksheet 3, our question is count the object and circle the correct number. So first we count the object and then circle the correct number. Okay? Now start counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many objects in question A? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So where is number 12? This is the correct number. So circle number 12. Now in question number B, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So how many balls? How many balls are there? 16. So circle the correct number. So our correct number is 16. So draw. So circle the number 16. Okay. Rest all the question of worksheet C, worksheet 3. Sorry. Rest all the question of worksheet 3. Do yourself in Genie book and do this in your Genie book. Now, next worksheet is worksheet 4, and in worksheet 4 question number 1 is count 10, write one more than the count for images on the left. So in this question, first we count the images, then write the one more than the count for images. Okay. So first we count how many ice creams are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of ice cream 5. So we have to write one more than. So 5 plus 1, 6. So we write here 6. Now next, how many rings are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rings are there. So we have to write one more than 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Rest 2 question of this. Question number 1. Do in your Genie book. Now, question number 2 is count and write one less than. In question number 1, we count and write one more than. In question number 2, we count and write one less than the count for images on the right. Okay. So, one less than. First we count the images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So was 1 less than 10 is 9, means 10 minus 1, 9. 1 less than means we have to subtract 1 from the images, and in 1 more than means we have to plus 1. Okay. So 1 less than means 10 minus 1, 9. So we have to write 9. Now question number B. How many rings are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 1 less than 3 means 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. 1 less than means we have to subtract 1 from 3 and 10. So our answer is 9 and 2. Okay. Rest all the question of worksheet 4 do at home. Now, our next worksheet is worksheet 5. Question number 2. Count by fives. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay. So, question number 1. In how many values are there? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, in first value, number 5. Now, 5 plus 5, we have to skip 5. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 5 plus 5, 10. Now, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay? Count by 5 means we have to skip by 5 or plus 5 the given number. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25 and 25 plus 5 30. Okay? Now in question number B, there's how many rings? 6. So 45. 45 plus 5 plus 5, 50. Now 50 plus 5, 55. Now in right side rings, we have to subtract 5. So 45 minus 5, 40, then 40 minus 5, 35, then 35 minus 5, 30. Okay? So, in first question, count by 5. In first value, there is a number 5. So, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. And 25 plus 5, 30. Okay? Now in next question number B, there is a number 45. So we have to write next number 45 plus 5 50, 50 plus 5 55. Now in right side rings, we have to subtract 5. 45 minus 5, 40. 40 minus 5, 35, 35 minus 5, 30. Okay? So rest all the question of worksheet 5 do in your Genie book, and question number 1, join the dots to make a drawing and then color it. Do yourself. And question number 2, rest all the question do in your Genie book. Now, our next worksheet is based on ordinal numbers. Okay? So, our question is fill in the boxes with the correct ordinal number. Ordinal number means first, second, third, like this. This is first, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay? So, write down this in your Genie book and rest all the worksheet, rest all the question of all the worksheet do in your Genie book and complete chapter 2 in your Genie book. Now we start our new chapter of Genie book, chapter 4, counting in tens. Okay. So in chapter 4, our worksheet 1, question number 1 is look at the pictures given alongside and answer the following questions. So first look at the pictures. This is a bunch of sticks. How many sticks in a bunch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a bunch of 10 sticks and 3 sticks are loose. Now the bunch of 10 equals to 110. Always remember, bunch of 10 equals to 110. Okay? Bunch of 10 ones means this is called 110. So our question number 1 is how many bundles of 10 sticks are there? So we write here 1 because there is only one bundle of 10 sticks. How many sticks are loose? How many sticks are loose? 1, 2 and 3. How many sticks are there in all? So 10 plus 3, 13. Okay? 10 plus 3, 13. This is a bunch of 10 sticks. So this is called 110. This is called 110. And this is 3 ones. Okay? So 110 and 3 ones equals to 13. Now next question, question number 2. Do yourself in your Genie book, and after 2, question number 3 is write the next numbers counting by tens. So write the next number counting by tens. 10 means 50, 50 plus 6, 50 plus 10 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Okay? So in next question, write the next numbers counting by 10. So 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Okay? So rest all the questions of worksheet 1 do in your Genie book. Now next worksheet 2, take the one that shows the given number correctly. So we have to tick the right option that shows given number is correctly. So in first picture we count how many bananas. In option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Now in option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in last option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our number is 13. So option 3 is right option. So we take the third option because this option shows the given number correctly. Okay. So we take right third option. Now in next worksheet, question number 1, match the following. So you have to do at home. Now in question number 2, count and write the correct number for each. So count and write correct number for each. So there is a bunch of pencils. First we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many pencils in first box? 10. Now count in second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the group of 10 ones equals to 110. Always remember, the group of 10 ones equals to 110. So 110 plus 110, 2 tens. So first we write here 2. 110, 110. So 2 tens. Now how many pencils are loose? 1, 2, 3. So 2 tens and 3 ones. So the number is 23. Okay. Now complete all the worksheet of chapter number 4 of Genie book at home. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.